Another video with new reaction, that is Mitnobu type reaction. In this reaction we can form esters, ethers, alkoxides, alkanoids, not alkoxide, alkanoids there will be. So what is the reaction here? What I am taking today is the conversion of allylic alcohol to allylic chloride, and this reaction is taking place in presence of chloroketone and triphenyl phosphine. Okay, allylic alcohol is converting into allylic chloride. One thing is here we are having cis and trans isomers formation. Cis and trans isomers formation. Okay, let's talk about the mechanism of the reaction. What is the mechanism here? So here we are having mechanism now. See, in mechanism, the first step is formation of carbon ion. Formation of carbon ion is taking place, and the SN2 reaction is, this is a SN2 reaction. We know in SN2 reaction there is inversion of configuration. So how it is SN2 reaction, how formation is carbon ion is taking place? See, we are taking here chloroketone. I'm writing here chloroketone. Here I am having CCl3. This is your chloroketone, and we are having triphenyl phosphine. The lone pair present on the phosphorus, they remove the chlorine, and due to that there will be formation of carbon ion. This is the pathway. Here double bond will be and the charge will move here, so it will develop negative charge. So here we'll be having carbon, Cl2, oxygen with negative charge, and CCl3. Okay, so this is your carbon ion, and side by will be having one positive species also, positive plus Cl attached. So this is your first step of formation of carbon ion. Now how this carbon ion is attacking the reactant, let's see that in the second step, and what it will do to the reactant molecule. Okay, so now we are having second step. In second step there will be removal of proton, how? We are having allylic alcohol. I'm writing here our allylic alcohol. Okay, see, CCl2, O negative, and CCl3. Sorry, double bond is also here. We are having here carbon ion. This carbon ion will remove the proton. This will help in the removal of proton. So we will get here, O negative. That means alkoxide anion will be formed after the removal of proton. Okay, and side by side what will be having, it will take this H. So here we'll be having, I'm writing it here, plus CCl2 carbon H single bond, oxygen with double bond, and CCl3. Okay, so this is your second step, removal of proton when a carbon ion attacks it. Okay, now we are having next step. What will happen? See, in next step there will be formation of strong phosphorus oxygen bond. It is a very good reaction, and there are SN2 reaction step. SN2 reaction is taking place with inversion of configuration. How P phosphorus oxygen bond is formed? See, we are having alkoxide double bond O negative, and in first step we were having the positive species also, P positive and Cl. Okay, so here what will happen? It will attack here and this will be removed. So we will be having here methyl double bond O P and ppH3 with positive charge. It is a very good reaction because there is a neutralization, and second there is a strong formation of phosphorus and oxygen bond. Okay, after the formation of this species, what will happen? There will be formation of phosphorus and oxygen double bond. Okay, written it, we are having a positive species, chloride ion attacks here, not here. It will attack the carbon and this will move here. So we'll be having methyl double bond carbon with chlorine plus O double bond ppH3. So this is all about the reaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe it.